Good afternoon. My name is Jeong Kwon from ETRI. ETRI means Electronics and Telecommunications Research Institute in Korea, and it is located in Taedok Research Complex. When you look at ETRI, you think that we cover semiconductor and ICT, but I work in the real virtual integration, and now I guess many experts and students are here today, and I'd like to thank the organizer for giving me this meaningful opportunity. And my theme is about hyper-realistic content and 5-sense technology. And 5-sense technology is mentioned before. And due to the time constraints, I will cover the key concepts. So first, I created the slide for content technology roadmap from the first generation web-based dialogue contents, and now it led to the 3D XR contents, including VR and XR. And from next year, we will see the generative AI multi-senses contents and 5th-generation automated 5-sense content. So you can see the AI has become the key word. So ChatGPT came out November of 2022, and it achieved the 100 million users in the shortest time, and it passed 2 years. So within the past 2 years, it has brought big transformations in our lives. The 5 senses, as you know, the 5 different senses, including sight, hearing, touch, smell, taste. And whether in metaverse or virtual read, these technologies are making the users to feel the 5 senses. And NASA invented this approximately 40 years ago. And as of now, we still have a long way to go for the development. Even though we have meta testing and technology, but we need more advancement. There are still many things need to be developed. And the smell is the most difficult part. And one thing we could think of is that the 5-sense technology integration should make users feel the same in the real world. So the user should feel and sense. So the physical interactions are important as well. So briefly, I'd cover the 5 different senses, the current status of technology. First starts with sight. So it's related to spaces. So the first video is filmed in Jeju Island, and now along with the neural rendering, it is the splitting, a new technology, and the traditional computer graphic does the modeling, but now it is replaced by AI. So in the future, I expect that extensive space can be more accurately analyzed. And this is the co-founder, the Reid Hoffman of the LinkedIn. So basically, he has a dialogue with his virtualized self. So not only the appearance but voices. So now it is his real avatar. So instead of myself, the avatar can do the work. So this is the future of the AI. And next is hearing. And there are many technological advancements. And this is the original video. And when we show that to AI, and just looking at the whole, the image of the whole, the AI just created the audio file. So within a minute, you can make your own song. And the touch is the most difficult one, and this is the glove that Atri is developing. So we initiated this research, but there's limitation. So we are inventing this glove for the touch technology. So we make the technology for enabling handshake, and we have to advance the relevant technologies. And in case of smell, the lung diseases diagnosis, and also smelling gas and emitting smell is, and also the diagnosing the alcohol is another application of the smell technology. So in the far future, easily speaking, the food can be described in not only the text but the smell, but it requires more developments. So even though you eat flour with no taste, but with the smell we can taste. So we can feel as if it's a chocolate taste or strawberry taste flour. And the interactive technology is using AI, and that's a new trend. So with the lenses on my body, I can trace my emotions and moves. So in the future, it will be lighter as glasses. So wearing those glasses in the virtual world, my emotions are sent. All the information and data are sent to the virtual world. And now I'd like to cover the technological development. Actually, 20 years ago, we developed a special technology and we won the technology award from the major film industry. And we also copied the digital portrait. And you go to the karaoke. And we also sense the voice recognition technology in karaoke. And we have been developing technology needed in art industry. And this is the AI-based interactive technology. So with only one camera, we can create the 3D, the posture and facial expression and the location of the eyesight. It can identify various information. And the second is the National Cultural Museum. So there are many culture artifacts, and we combine the technology, the digital curation, and through the joint research with the Cultural Asset Technology Center at the Terminal 1 of the Incheon Airport, we created the 20-meter high, the medial hole, and it won the 3 biggest design award, including the Red Dot. And these are the originals, but using AI to make it enlarge. And Adobe has the function, but in a technological wise, it should not have the clear boundaries, or the expanded areas should be well adjusted. So, even though the background is not existing, we developed the well adjusted background. So, even though it's a 2D, but sometimes you want to be in the picture, so we created the 3D version as well. And we can add the face of the audience to the original, and we have the exhibition outside, so those who want to experience, you can try it out. And lastly is the digital human technology. And the last four technologies that we have introduced are the world-class, world-living levels. So technology should be well functional is important, but it should have the high accuracy and immediacy. So that's the level that we are at. Thank you very much.